Championship West qualifier here in Flagstaff, Arizona. I'm Rob Stone. This is my partner, the Hall of Famer, Randy Peterson. That's how you start. Looking to get on a streak now, hunting 2 in a row. Another strike, 2 in a row now.
Great execution on the last 2 shots.
Already has 2 strikes, looking for a third. Strikes again.
Feeling it now.
The turkey has been served. We're looking for the ham bone course right now. Leaves the 10 pin. .95% is your tour average for the 10 pin. Got the spare.
Ooh, a little extra oomph in that shot there at the end.
Trying for the double now.
What's up, guys? Join the Gamer YT here, back with yet another YouTube video. Today we were playing PBA Tour. So far we're doing a great job.
2 in a row now. We'll try and make it 3 in a row here.
Not happening.
There's a 9 count, leaving just the 5. Pros on tour make this spare over 97% of the time. And no problem there.
Great pin action there.
Struck in the last frame, looking for the double here. And there's the double. Looking for another strike now to get that turkey. Left a 4-5 split there.
Accurate spare shooters expect to make this one. You want to put the ball right between the 4 and the 5.
Got it. Knocks down 9 pins there, just the 5 remaining. And that wraps things up for us, folks. We appreciate you joining us. Greetings and welcome to the Championship West qualifier here. Gets the strike to start it off.
There's a nice shot and a nice result.
Looking to keep it going here with 2 in a row. There's a 9 count with just the 6 remaining. 6 pin should not be a problem with a 97.5% conversion rate on the tour. Got the spare. The 7 pin holds, will not go down. 93% conversion rate on the 7, that's your tour average. No problem on that one. Picks up 6 there. This is one you're hoping not to see, but it can be done. Does not convert there.
That's a really difficult one to pick up.
Takes out 9 pin, leaving the 2. The 2 pin gets converted just over 90% of the time. And cannot pick it up.
That's one you wish you could have back.
Knocks down 9 pins there with just the 8 remaining. The 8 pin gets picked up over 95% of the time by the pros on the tour. No problem. Picks up 9 pins, leaving just the 5. And no problem there.
Ten down.
Trying for the double now. Knocks down 7 pins there. Very nicely done.
Made it look easy.
There's a 9 count, leaving the 4. Gets the spare here. .510 split.
To convert here, you want to hit the left side of the 5 pin and knock it into the 10. Not that difficult if you're active.
And that wraps things up for us, folks. We appreciate you joining us. Greetings and welcome to the Championship. Picks up 9 pins, leaving the 5. You see the conversion rate there for the 5-pin, 97.5%. Starts things off with the spare. That shot punched the words right out of me. Looking to get on a streak now, hunting 2 in a row. And that pin will not go down. .95% is your tour average for the 10-pin. Got it.
The pinch just took a beat down on that one.
Looking for the double. Takes out 9-pin, leaving the 9. There you see the conversion percentage on the 9-pin, 97.5% tour average. And a nice conversion there.
Yes, there you go.
Looking to keep it going here with 2 in a row. 2 strikes in a row. Already has 2 strikes, looking for a 3rd. There's another strike. Looking for the ham bone here. 4 strikes in a row. 6 count there, leaving the 1-2-4-7. And no problem there. The pins, Randy, didn't have a chance on that one.
That's dirty. Just dirty.
Got a strike on the last turn. Knocks him down for 2 in a row.
Great release. Now that's how you execute.
Already with the double, looking for a triple.
Someone is heating up.
3 in a row for the turkey. Now, we hope you enjoyed this fabulous night of bowling as much as we did. So long, folks.